You've got one shot to make a killer first impression. Whether you're pitching yourself to a studio or applying for a freelance gig, your demo reel is your calling card. But what separates the reels that get tossed aside from the ones that open doors? Let's break down the essentials so you can make a reel that not only stands out, but gets you hired. Alan McKay has reviewed tens of thousands of demo reels while staffing productions for some of the biggest studios in the world. With his extensive experience, he knows exactly what a reel needs to grab attention. So let's dive into his expert suggestions to help you create a reel that screams, "Hire me." Number 1, lead with your best work. The first few seconds can make or break your reel. If the reviewer isn't hooked, they're moving on. Make them want to watch till the very last frame. Your goal? To have people in the room saying, "This is the best reel we've seen." Number 2, keep it short and sweet. Less is more. Aim for 60 to 90 seconds, the sweet spot for demo reels. Anything longer risks being skipped. Remember, reviewers may have dozens of reels to go through today, so respect their time by showcasing only your very best. Number 3, tell a story. Think of your reel as a mini movie. Use storytelling techniques to create flow and cohesion. Many top directors got their start through short films. Let your reel tell a narrative that shows you understand structure, pacing, and emotion. Number 4, tight edits are key. Every shot in your reel should serve a purpose. Keep your edits tight to maintain attention. The last thing you want is for someone to get bored halfway through your reel because of unnecessary filler. Number 5, choose the right track, but don't stress. Here's a surprise. The music you pick may not even be heard. Most reviewers watch reels with the sound off, so don't obsess over the track. Focus more on the visuals, or you'll be judged most critically. Number 6, no filler, only the best. One weak shot can cost you a job. No filler allowed. Set the bar high by only including shots that demonstrate the level of work you want to get hired for. Number 7, demonstrate what you can do. Your reel should show off your skills, what services you provide, and the quality of work you deliver. The reviewer needs to see that you're ready to sit down and do the job tomorrow. Okay, now let's talk about the power of work examples. Your demo reel is like the trailer to your movie. It gives a glimpse of your capabilities. But just like a trailer, people want to see the full story before they decide to buy the ticket. That's where work examples come in. While your reel showcases a montage of your best shots, work examples allow potential clients to see full, completed projects and get a sense of your range, style, and execution. Here's how to master your work examples so they complement your demo reel and sell your services. Here's why work examples matter. Work examples are like your portfolios, hidden gems. They go beyond the quick flashes of brilliance in your reel and demonstrate your ability to deliver completed professional level projects. Clients and collaborators want to know that you can take a project from concept to completion, and showing off full examples of your best work is the proof they need to trust you with their vision. Work examples help answer critical questions like, can this person handle a complete project, not just isolated shots? Do they understand pacing, tone, and storytelling across different types of work? Is their style adaptable, and do they meet industry standards? Can I envision this person handling the scope of my project? The reel grabs their attention, but your work examples seal the deal. So, how do you curate work examples like a pro? Number 1, review and select only your best work. If you have a project you love but feel it needs a little more polish, don't be afraid to go back and make tweaks. Fix that color grade or clean up the audio before showcasing it. Number 2, revise it to make it shine. Don't be afraid to revise a project after delivery, especially if the client's budget or timeline didn't allow for the level of quality you know you can deliver. This version should reflect your highest possible standard. Number 3, archive everything. Every project you complete could be the perfect example for a future client. Save every completed project on a dedicated drive or in cloud storage. That way, if a potential client asks for a specific type of work, you can pull it up and send it in just seconds. I keep a portfolio on Vimeo for instant access. It's streamlined, easy to update, and perfect for sending to clients without the distraction of ads or related content. Consider using a similar platform for easy client access. Number 4, get permission and give credit. Worked on a collaborative project? Make sure to get written permission from your client or collaborators before showcasing it in your portfolio. Be upfront about the role you played. If you didn't handle every aspect of production, don't take credit for it. Highlight your specific contributions. Number 5, be picky about what you post online. Your online portfolio is your public face, so only post published professional work. It's better to wait until you have something exceptional to share rather than post something that doesn't meet your standards. One poorly executed project can turn potential clients away. So, what if you're just starting out and don't have any work examples? Starting out without a portfolio can feel like a huge roadblock, but here's the good news. Everyone starts somewhere, and there are plenty of ways to build up your work examples, even if you're brand new to the game. Let's talk about practical steps you can take to create a killer portfolio from scratch. Number 1, create spec work. When you don't have clients or paid gigs, spec work is your best friend. Spec work is essentially a self-initiated project, something you create as if it were a real job. This is your opportunity to show what you can do without waiting for someone to hire you. So here's a pro tip. If you want to make it more realistic, pick an actual brand or company and create a mock ad or video for them. Just be clear that it's a personal project, not an official brand collaboration. Number 2, partner with other creatives. If you're just starting out, you're probably surrounded by other creators in the same position. Collaborate with them to make something amazing. Offer your time, skills, or equipment in exchange for their talents. This way, you both get high quality content for your portfolios without needing a big budget. Here's an example. Partner with a photographer or graphic designer or a musician and work on a project that highlights both your skills. This could be a short film, a music video, or a branded video. So here's another pro move. Barter your services. If someone needs a video and you need photos, swap services to build both of your portfolios. Number 3, document your process. Can't find a project to work on? Document your learning process. Show potential clients or collaborators that you're constantly improving by creating videos that show how you approach storytelling, editing, or cinematography. Create a behind-the-scenes video of you working on your first projects, learning new techniques, or testing out different styles of shooting. This not only gives you content to show, but also builds trust by showing your dedication to improving your craft. Number 4, volunteer for a cause. Offering your services for free to a nonprofit, a local business, or a friend in need of video work is a great way to build up your portfolio while making a positive impact. These projects give you real-world experience and provide you with completed work examples to showcase. So here's an example. Offer to make a promotional video for a charity, a local event, or a small business. In exchange, you get a completed project to showcase. They get a valuable piece of content for their organization. You can also create content for social media. Sometimes all you need is a smartphone and a simple idea to start creating. Short-form content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube is a great way to show off your skills in storytelling, editing, or visual creativity without needing a big budget. So how do you get started? Pick a niche or style you enjoy, whether it's mini docs, product reviews, vlogs, or even cinematic style B-roll. The key is to be consistent and to treat every piece like a portfolio project. Number 6, offer free or discounted services. While I don't recommend doing this forever, offering a few discounted or free projects when you're just starting out can help you build your portfolio quickly. Choose projects that you're passionate about and that will showcase the skills you want to be known for. When you're offering free services, be selective. Only do this for projects that are likely to get you noticed or have the potential to lead to paid work down the line. You can also create a passion project. If there's a subject or style you love, create a passion project around it. These are personal projects that allow you to flex your creative muscles without the constraints of a client brief. Plus, they can often be your most exciting and creative work, making them perfect for your portfolio. If you're into sports, create a short documentary about a local athlete. If you're passionate about food, shoot a mini-series on local restaurants. The key is to create something you're passionate about. It'll show in the final product. Are you ready for the takeaway? Work examples are your ultimate proof of talent. They show that you can take a project from idea to final delivery while maintaining professional quality. Make sure your examples are just as polished and curated as your demo reel. Together, they form a dynamic portfolio that will set you apart from the competition. Ready to level up your demo reel and work examples? Subscribe, hit the bell for more insider tips on mastering unscripted video production. Let me know in the comments what type of work examples you're planning to showcase, and check out the resources in the description for more ways to build a reel that gets noticed. And don't forget, if you want to dig deeper into storytelling and unscripted video, join the early bird list for my upcoming course, Start with Story, End with Wow. It's designed to help you craft videos that not only tell a story, but create an impact. Let's get started.